Hello and welcome to CoteacherVid.app. This is my submission for the Bolt.New Hackathon. This website is going to replace about 8 different tools for teachers and also allows teachers to get feedback from students using technology where they may not be receiving, using traditional tools like Google Classroom and things like that. So I'm going to show you how this works. It uses Superbase as a database, and the teacher generates a code for the students to join the server. On the joined screen, the students can join and they put in their name, select an avatar, join the session. The teacher has to approve their names. The students are taken to a waiting room where they might be able to read some facts or even do a Wordle, and then the teacher says start lesson. Now at any time the students can say yep, I understand, and there's a cooldown time that the teacher can set. And then the teacher gets that real-time feedback over here. There's also a little thing up there to say that Bob is no longer active on that tab. So it shows the teacher that Bob may not be focused on the task at hand. The teacher can also check for understanding. And while this box is open, the students have a pop-up on their screen. They can say that they understand. And back over here, on the screen, the teacher can click over here onto the understanding check responses, and it shows who is understanding and who is not. This is just one part of it though. I've also implemented a lesson planner, so teachers can upload lessons and have AI analyze it, even suggest activities. It can add learning intentions, success criteria, which is all best practice for teachers. It can generate a topic background for the students, so they're effectively presenting a biography about an adult they admire, the lessons that are needed, and down here we've got the activities. Now let's just say that the teacher doesn't like this activity. They can expand the activity with AI. The teacher and the AI will suggest a new instruction. They're going to use that instead, and then all they do is add that to the card. Back up to the top here, we can say that all our cards are good now. We've got learning intention, success criteria. We can manage the cards and just make sure it's automatically generated extensions and supportive learning materials. And then when I go back to lesson details, start teaching, the student joins the room using this code. Bob again. The teacher can then approve Bob and then start the lesson. And now the great thing is that everything that's on the teacher-student screen, the student can see as well, and they can still let the teacher know if it's confusing or not. This is a full stack app. It's big. You need to get in there and have a look, but hopefully this explains it.